What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Euro Truck Driver. Today we are back, and let me just go down the volume. Alright, today we are back, and we're going to continue the next event, next job, I would say. So I'm not sure what's the next job going to be though. I've done a couple outside, but then I also did some stuff as well. So yeah, to the truck. So right now we are here and our gas seems to be fine. So let's go and get some job and see what can be done. Right. Shit, did I just hit something? Right. Let's get some job. See what do we have here. So warehouse, show available job. Warehouse. So we have container, grand, soda. What should we be taking though? Cars. Wow, that's a long journey though. So let's take a cars this time. Okay, let's see. Let's turn this. Oh shit! Oh, that's almost a bang right there. Where is the truck? I think I'm going above though. Alright, I can see that green right at my back view. So let's grab that. Alright, we are attached. Nice. I guess we are attached though. Yes, we are. So we are pulling a bunch of container. Oh shit. Kidding me. Okay, I'm hitting way too much of stuff right now. Not really a good sign of driving a truck though. So we are taking some big turns since we have cars carried by us. You know what, I'm going to increase the volume though. Okay, I thought that we will actually be getting fined because I'm running more than 50 though. Let's see. Too much of ads in this game. Just wish I can pull the ads out. Of course, I'm not in the urge of spending any cash right now for this game. Still fishing around to see whether the game is really worth to actually get. Right, so we are in the highway right now. Can't really see. So if there's a gas station, I'll actually make a stop to get myself fueled up. Shit. I knew that's gonna happen. Fucking hell. I remember though in my previous video I did hit that freaking sign and looks like we came back to the same location hitting the same area. So wait, I'm not sure why, but I'm having some difficulty to actually look at the road. Not pretty clear though, or maybe my screen brightness I set it was too low. Why am I activating the wiper, right? So this is going to be some long journey though, but well, we can do that. Some good cash. Oh, we're at the extreme high speed right now. So we are coming to the section. Better reduce the speed. Hold on. Shit. Okay. The pedal were way too small though. Can't really press it because my thumb is too big. I'm not sure what is that sound, but it's like as though I'm pulling something without me noting. Right, we're going for a high speed once again. Looks like I'm doing about 90 or maybe 100. According to the dashboard meter, it looks like I'm doing about 100 right now. Hopefully we are at the right lane because I'm fully depending on the GPS. Let me just cut this car.
How's the weather up ahead?
Should I respond to that? Yep.
It's clear for miles.
Had to brakes that. I don't want to lose the cars or any ugly situation though. Right, I can see some gas station. Let me just go and fill up. Don't want myself to be caught up in some crazy ass situation. So let's turn off the engine. So fuel price 132. Fuel needed 366. Total cost will be 622. I'll take that. And I forgot to actually. Do you want free money? Watch this video. Nah, I'm good. So let's start the engine though. Our petrol is good. That's on our light. Give it some high beam. I can't really see with low beam though. So let's get back to our track. Yes, I know my signal is still on. Gotta make sure though that I don't really pull off some shitty things. Right, we are back. Go some normal light beam. Alright. It's cool that you have, daylight, sunlight, sunlight, what the fuck am I talking about? Day and night, and also the raining and foggy situation. It's kind of cool to have that in the game. Oh, all these cars are cutting me, shit. I knew that's gonna happen. Look at that car in front. They're just brixing all the way. Just when you have some dumbass drivers driving slow right in front of you. Oh, I better get some brakes right here. Shit, that's too much. Still, the control is pretty hard to handle. Alright, let me just off the light though. We can see pretty clear.
How's the traffic up ahead? Slow it down, there are many vehicles down here.
I'm not sure what did he just said, but I think it says the traffic is kind of slow. Oh shit! My god! I almost hit that. I better get some brakes. Get ready on my brakes. Okay. So I'm still in a good situation. Let me just put it down and put to auto cruise. So now I'm on auto cruise mode. Truck is driving by itself. I don't want to get any speed ticket though. Let me just reduce a little bit more. Alright, this speed should be fine. This speed should be fine. Come on, before the light turns red. Come on, push it. There's some heavy ass truck I'm pulling right behind of me. Alright. I think we can see that. Oh shit, I almost hit that. Actually, not almost, I basically hit that. So I think we gotta come up to this section. We are closing in. What the fuck did he just did? Turning and just reversing out. That is purely unacceptable. Right, so where are we heading?
How's the weather up ahead?
Pretty good. Clear.
It's clear for miles.
Are we actually going for more trips? Yeah, it looks like it. Just keep it to this lane. Oh, it's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a long trip. Okay. Just when the ads appear. Are you freaking kidding me? Alright, come on, load the maps. Yes. Let's go ahead. Oh shit, are you serious? I really need some rest. No, I think we can do this. Seems like it needs to go for some rest. But in reality though, I still can drive. Talking about driving though, this is just a simulator, so if you guys are really a truck driver or any form of a company driver, don't drive while you're sleepy. That is totally not a good idea. So keep yourself safe when you're on the road. Always keep your eyes open and think of your loved ones. That is my advice, guys, and I hope you guys would actually keep that as a reminder to yourself when you're always on the road. I'm not sure if we are still far away. Oh, we are coming close. We are coming close. Are you freaking kidding me? What the heck? Do you see what that truck has done? Are you freaking kidding me? Come on. Let me just change the signal light. Keeping ourselves to the necessary lane. There's no cars. Alright. Wow, this is extremely a long journey though. Well, a 13k off a job. I will take that, that's for sure. Why not? But I do feel that we need some new trucks though. Still need to go for more jobs, and then we might just able to collect. Did you guys see that? I actually went to the right lane to actually cut that car and he just fly off. He smoked me completely. Okay, I'm not really sure what's going on right behind of me, but I can hear some funny song going on. I think it's better I make some stop again. Turn off the engine. Right. Refill. No, close. So we are good. Let's just pull out. Okay, there is a spot to actually take a nap right here. Let's see what happens. Ah, and it's raining. Come on. Turn off the engine. Sleep time. Sleep for 8 hours. Sleeping. Never did try this
为
though.
国献命，运筹帷幄，
Oh,
万千武将抽选，通关决。
that kills my ears. Oh my god. Okay guys, seriously, if you love this game, my advice to you is buy whatever cash so you can get the ads removed. Seriously, that was freaking stupid. I just got my freaking ears broke. My god, the ads though. Shit. That purely sucks. Seriously. So we're coming to some curve. We are back on the road. We are more or less able to drive the truck once again.
How's the weather up ahead? We are getting our windows washed down here.
I'm not really sure, but the voice seems to be the same, so I believe they are brothers, I presume. Hold on, where? Which route should we actually take? Is it this one or this? Yep, I think this is the one that we should be taking. Okay, I got a feeling that I'm gonna stuck right behind these cars since they are doing some freaking stupid turn. Look at that. Are you freaking serious? Come on. Keeping to our lane. Can't barely see though. I can see that high beam is not really workable for my view. But we are still moving. Come on. Right, I can see some curve right ahead. Let's just reduce some pedal right here. Step on the gas. On. Hold on, I'm seeing some signs. Are we close? Oh shit, before I hit something else. My god, that's a close one. Come on. Look at that turn. Hold on, something is wrong. Did you see the map? Something is definitely wrong right there. That's a freaking map issues. Right, so according to the map we have to go straight again. So let's just go straight. I think we're coming to the city and we gotta keep our speed accordingly. We are coming close. Oh shit, what the heck is that? What the freaking hell is that? Seriously. Alright, we are coming to the corner. This, let's just keep it here. Right. Since the truck is pretty huge, we're gonna take some big turn. Are you freaking kidding me? Can't you just wait? Right, so let's find the entrance. There you go. Nice. Auto park. Oh no, no. Hold on, what is this? This is job complete, driver distance 1009, rewards 13k, jobs done 1250. So I'm still in level 2 though. Oh, that's tough. Still got lots more to race, but I'm glad to be here and finishing up this particular one. So guys, with that I'm gonna wrap up this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. Let me know guys, what do you think about the game so far. If you want to watch more, leave your comment guys in the below section. I definitely would like to, what the fuck is going on, would like to know from you guys, what do you think about the game. So let me know guys. And so with that, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button guys, like, leave it down below, leave your comments, and I will definitely get back to you. Alright, so with that, I'm Chris, this is Euro Truck Driver, and I'm out. Peace.